Okay, so in this video, I'm going to fairly quickly show you guys how to share your Google form with your students so they can take your survey or your quiz. What you're going to want to do is go up here and go to send, all right, and it gives you a variety of options. Obviously, you can email it to people, you can share a link with people, or you can embed a code. If you have Google Classroom, there's an easier way to go about this. But if you're like me and your school district doesn't use Google with students, so I don't have a Google Classroom, you can still use Google Forms as an assessment with your students. You can share this link with them. So for me, I just copy it, and then we use Canvas. So I go to Canvas, and then I just post the link there. But if you don't have Canvas, and you know what I'm talking about, if you don't have any sort of online platform with your students, you can just write down on the whiteboard a link. Now, for students to copy this link down, right, that's not going to work. So what I would suggest doing is you can go to tinyurl.com, and what it does is it takes a long URL and it makes it tiny. So I pasted in this long URL, which I know my students would not type in and would probably make mistakes. And then just choose an optional thing or just have them make one for you. Me, I usually just have them make one for me. And now it has been shrunk down to this tiny URL right here, tinyurl.com. So if I go to tinyurl.com/VSW46KL, it will take me to the assessment. So if you ever want, to distribute your test or your survey, your quiz, whatever it is you're doing to your students, and you do not have Google Classroom, there's still ways to accomplish it. You just got to share this link with them. So the resource I used, once again, tinyurl.com. You can just paste it in there, whatever the long link is, and then they'll make it shortened down for you. And then that one link that I had, which was this right here, you could just write it on the board, or you could post that to whatever your online platform is for students to access. If you have any more questions, feel free to email me, and I'll do my best to help you.